Join me as I try to create the perfect mango matcha iced latte that will keep you cool all summer long. When I think of summer, I think of refreshing drinks that quench my thirst and revitalized my senses. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. A mango matcha iced latte recipe that's about to become your new go-to summer drink. Let's be real, finding a delicious and healthy summer beverage that satisfies our cravings and keeps us cool can be a challenge. We want something that's going to tantalize our taste buds, but not sabotage our dietary goals. Summer is the time for outdoor adventures, BBQs, and pool parties, and we need a drink that's going to keep up with our active lifestyle. But most store-bought drinks are loaded with sugar, artificial flavors, and who knows what else. And don't even get me started on the calories. We need a drink that's not only refreshing, but also nourishing, something that's going to give us a boost of energy and mental clarity. And that's exactly what this mango matcha iced latte recipe delivers. Moving on to the ingredients we need for this recipe. You'll need ripe mangoes, matcha powder, almond milk, ice, and a touch of honey for sweetness. The mangoes provide natural sweetness and creamy texture, while the matcha powder gives it a vibrant green color and a boost of antioxidants. Almond milk makes this drink light and refreshing, perfect for hot summer days. And the honey adds just the right amount of sweetness without going overboard. Let's take a look at how we can prepare these ingredients and bring this drink to life. First, we're going to puree the mangoes in a blender until we get a smooth and creamy texture. Then, we're going to brew the matcha powder in hot water and let it cool. Once it's cooled, we'll combine it with the mango puree and almond milk and stir until everything is well incorporated. Now let's talk about the moment of truth, when we combine the mango puree and matcha. This is where the magic happens, folks. The vibrant colors and inviting aroma are going to make your taste buds do the happy dance. As we pour the mixture into a glass filled with ice, you can see the colors swirling together in perfect harmony. It's like a party in your glass. The smell of fresh mangoes and green tea is going to tantalize your senses and leave you wanting more. And the best part? This drink is ridiculously easy to make and customized to your taste. Want it sweeter? Add a bit more honey. Want it more intense? Add more matcha powder. The possibilities are endless. In just a few simple steps, we've created a refreshing summer drink that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. The Mango Matcha Iced Latte is the perfect way to beat the heat and stay cool all summer long. What's your favorite summer drink? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more refreshing beverage recipes, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.